Have you ever wondered why breathing feels completely effortless, even though your lungs move thousands of times every single day? The secret is a thin, slippery liquid called pleural fluid, your body's natural lubricant surrounding each lung inside the chest. Every time you inhale or exhale, this fluid lets your lungs glide smoothly against the chest wall with almost no friction. Without pleural fluid, each breath would cause painful rubbing between delicate tissues, making normal breathing uncomfortable and much more difficult. This lubricant sits inside the pleural cavity, a tiny space between two thin membranes that protect and support your lungs. Scientists also know that pleural fluid helps keep the lungs expanded, making breathing more efficient with every breath you take. Your lungs expand and relax about 20,000 times every day, and this remarkable fluid works silently during every single movement. If too much pleural fluid builds up because of illness or injury, the lungs cannot expand normally, making breathing feel harder. Most people never notice pleural fluid because a healthy respiratory system works quietly, efficiently, and almost completely without friction. Your body's natural lubricant is another amazing reminder that tiny, invisible systems keep you alive every second. Like, subscribe, and share for more incredible body facts.